All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan. It is the SXT model. It's beautiful charcoal gray with black leather interior. It's got leather with suede inserts. Premium sound system, steering wheel controls, got backup camera, fog lights, roof racks, alloy wheels, super nice, and best of all, minimum damage. Front bumper looks good. Your hood looks pretty good. Your front fender looks nice. These are front driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see any curbing on that. Let's check out your tire thread. With just 5:30 seconds. This door looks good. This rear door looks good. And this quarter looks pretty nice. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing on that one. Tire thread is under 4:30. It's under 5:30 seconds. Nice shot of your roof. No holes, no tears, no things, dents, or anything up there. You got power windows, power door locks, power mirrors. Your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. It's a powered seat. Let me jump into this vehicle. Turn on for you guys. Does come with two key fob combos and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Got your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff. You got your backup camera. Boom. Got your AC controls right down below. You got steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. Very nice. This is of course what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues in your mileage of 36,618. Looks good. Got little power buttons here, opening up things. Keep it moving. Here's your rear passenger seat, what that looks like. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Likewise on your third row, no holes, no tears, no rips. Got rear AC vents and rear AC controls. A little button here closes this door. Coming around, rear bumper looks good. Your cargo area looks good. Of course, this folds up and folds in there. A little power button closes this door. And your rear looks good. This quarter looks pretty nice. It's a rear passenger steel wheel. Steering rim. 5:30 seconds here. Got a heavy scratch here, about 3 inches, and some scuffing. A little 1 inch there. Let's see. Here, you do have a dent down here, as you can see. 3, 6. And we got a dent over here. 3, 6, 9. About 10 inches there. And then on this door, we have a dent, as you can see, right there. Boom. And that would be 3, 6, 9, about 9 to 10 inches. I'll just call it 10 or more, just engulf that. It's a little area there. All right. Front fender, likewise, 3, 6, 3, 6, about 9-inch dent from here to right there. You can see it right there. All right, the rest of the fender looks pretty good. Here's your rear, your front passenger rim. Tire thread is at 5:30 seconds. That's about it. Here's the other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips to that one. Likewise on your third row. No holes, no tears, no rips. A little power button here. Closes that door. Front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. All right, lights. Oh, working car, looks great. Folks, once again, this is a 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT model. Gray with black interior. Any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you, and happy bidding.